Hi, welcome to Time and Status, an app that helps you analyze how long tasks stay in each stage and easily spot bottlenecks or missed deadlines. The app offers integration and a board view. Firstly, let's start with the board. When you install the add-on, all tasks with historical data appear, and you can select statuses to track from the drop-down menu. Next, you can choose the type of report you want to generate. There are 4 types of reports: status count, time and status, transition count, and the last one, items count per status. To ensure your data is accurate, you can create your personal calendar to specify your working days and hours by excluding weekends, holidays, or even lunch breaks. You can also use the column manager to decide which item columns and statuses you want to display on the table. Additionally, you can create custom status groups that allow you to combine multiple statuses and track the time for the entire process, such as cycle time or lead time. If you need to focus on specific tasks, you can use the filter section, where you can search by task name, groups, SMEs, and more. You can also set a time range for tracking. And just as easily as you apply filters, you can remove them and return to the default view. In order to avoid missing deadlines, you can specify the expected time for each status using the built-in SLA feature. You can set fully customized rules with call hours, names, statuses, and timeframes in days, hours, or minutes. Once you set these conditions, tasks that exceed the defined time in a stage will be automatically highlighted. For more visual analysis, we offer 3 chart types: the stacked area chart, the stacked column chart, and the last one, the pie chart. All of these charts can be filtered by groups, statuses, and a selected time period, and you can also export them. To add an integration and use it directly on your board, open the Integrate menu, find Time and Status. Choose the trigger condition, for example, status, select your calendar. After that, every time you change a task's status, the trigger will show exactly how long it has spent in each stage. Thank you for watching.